Tip number 1, as you make time to wind down your own life in the fall, you want to wind down your schedule in the garden as well. So get out your calendar or planner. This is the Farmer's Almanac garden calendar that I use every year, and just adjust your schedule accordingly. Tip number 2, clean up around the bases of your fruit trees and put protective tree guard material around the bottom part of the trunk. It will protect against damage from critters and winter stuff. Tip number 3, do a little bit of your garden cleanup each day or each week. Just a little bit at a time will get it all done. Now here I put down to clean up your flower beds. Well, if you're doing a little bit of cleanup each day or each week, eventually you'll get it all done, like I said. And sometimes we like to plant fall flowers like mums. I didn't get that done this year, but many years I've done it, and it has always been cheerful to have those in the garden. Any remaining bulbs that you need to plant, like your daffodils, or these are allium bulbs that I still have yet to plant, it's a good idea to get them in the ground now. If you don't have any problem with like deer or squirrels or anything, chipmunks, then you might be lucky enough to be able to plant tulips and bulbs like that. One of the things I also like to do is to cut dead parts off of shrubs and other plants. As you can see, I pruned back this spirea. There were a lot of dead branches on these this year. I can show you the other one over here. And while you're at it, you can pull weeds around it as well. If you still have herbs that are harvestable, now's a good time to pick them and dry them. And finally, if you have apples left on your trees, pick those and preserve them. We made apple butter, we made apple sauce. I made some apple jam, but it tastes just like applesauce. But enjoy those apples.